years later, the culture still has not been unified, I guess, not totally unified. So the East Germany would think rather differently. So as we can see in this case, they're more reeling, they're more kneeling, leaning to the right wing, where they want to keep Germany for Germans. Actually, Johnny will be reading about this party, the government party, and their name and what they stand for. So basically, they're conservatives. They don't want too much immigrants because that's in their philosophy or in their belief. It would destroy their economy or something like that. They probably have some points, but it's never too good to be extreme. You have to find some kind of balance in between.
Balance.
Right.
Yes.
You can never be too left or too right, because if you go on extremes, that's where you get trouble. There's always trouble, right?